On our third day in Bohol, we continue our journey through this island paradise with even more exciting adventures. Let's dive into the highlights of day 3. Quick reminder, don't forget to color the girls' eyebrows to complete their look.
Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa bastahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging hamihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulong at tinatawag na tayo ng mundo. Tumakas na tayo, malayo sa maraming tao. Umiwalay at magtago sa maingay at malabong mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging habagat at hampas ng alon. Dumudulog at iyayakap na tayo ng karagatan. Nananabik ang puso kong masilayan ng takip silim. Nauuhaw ang kaluluwang makitang bukang liwayway. Tumakas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa bastahimik at payapang mundo. Bumubulong ang hanging hamihan at huni ng ibon. Dumudulong at tinatawag na tayo ng mundo.
As our day 3 adventure in Bohol comes to a close, we take with us not just memories, but moments of wonder and connection with nature, culture, and each other. From breathtaking views to meaningful encounters, today was truly unforgettable. With hearts full and spirits high, we look forward to what tomorrow brings on this beautiful island.
At hinahanap na tayo ng kalikasan.